How to add apps to Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Access the home screen. Press the home button on your Samsung TV remote to open the Smart Hub. This is the main menu where you can access all of your TV's features. Step number 2. Navigate to the Apps section. Using the arrow keys on your remote, go to Apps in the Smart Hub menu and press Enter. This will open Samsung's App Store where you can explore and download apps. Step number 3. Browse or search for apps. In the Apps section, you'll find a variety of categories like entertainment, lifestyle, and sports. If you're looking for a specific app, use the search feature, represented usually by a magnifying glass icon, and type in the app's name. Step number 4. Select and install the app. Once you locate the app you want to add, select it to open the app's details page. Choose Install to download the app to your Samsung Smart TV. The installation process should only take a moment. Step number 5. Access the installed app. After installation, the app will appear in your app list on the home screen, making it easily accessible whenever you want to use it. Step number 6. Add the app to the home screen. If you frequently use this app, you can add it to your home screen for easy access. Highlight the app in the Apps section, press and hold the Enter button on your remote, then select Add to Home.